Welcome and thank you for always joining us. We are presenting a question that was done in K.c.s.e 1993 paper 1 question number 7, a question on binomial expansion. By making use of binomial expansion, determine the value of 2.2, that is 2.002 raised to the power of 4 to 4 decimal places. So what we are going to do, we are going to bring 2.002, we raise it to the power of 4, and for us to use binomial expansion, we are going to split 2.002 into 2, where we are going to have a whole number and the decimal parts, and this is going to be 2 plus 0.002, then we raise this to the power of 4. Once we have done that, we can now expand in the normal way by starting with 2 raised to the power of 4. We multiply by the second term, which is 0.002. We start this with power 0, plus 2 will now come to the power of 3. We multiply by 0.002 raised to the power of 1. Remember, the powers of 2 will go down as the powers of the decimal parts go up, plus 2 power 2 multiplied by 0.002 raised to the power of 2, plus 2 power 1, we multiply by 0.002 power 3, plus lastly 2 power 0 into 0.002 raised to the power of 4. Once we have done that, we come down and simplify the expression before inserting the coefficients. 0.002 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1, then 2 power 4 will give us 16, plus we have 0.002 power 1, we multiply by 2 power 3, which will give us 0.016, plus 2 power 2 is 4. 4 times 0.02 squared will give us 0.000016, plus 2 power 1, which is 2, times 0.002 cubed, and this one is going to give us 0.00000. We have 7 zeros, then 1 6, and lastly plus 2 power 0 is 1. 0.002 power 4 will give us a very big decimal point, which will be written as 1.6 times 10 power negative 11 as in standard form, that is. Once we have simplified, then we now insert the coefficients. From the binomial expansion table, the coefficients of power 4 will be 1, 4, we have 6, we have 4 and 1. We are going to multiply this back into the equation. That is 1 times 16 plus 4 into 0.016 plus 6 into, we have 0.000016 plus, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 0.0000016 plus, of course, 1 times 1.6 times 10 power negative 11. After we have done that, we can now simplify. 1 times 16, you get 16, plus 4 times 0.16 will give us 0.064, plus we have 6 times 0.00016, and this one is going to give us 0.00016. that is 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and of course 64, plus next we are going to have, now this one is going to be 6 times 0.00016, which will give us 0.4 zeros, then 96, plus next we are having 4 times 0.000000016, which will give us 0. We have 7 zeros, then 64, plus finally 1 times 1.6 times 10 power negative 11, which will give us 1.6 times 10 power negative 11. Then if you use a calculator, the final answer is going to be 16.0641, correct to 4 decimal places, and that is the solution to this particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.